Hey, Justin and Leon, FNK Classic Cars.
Word.
Word up.
Yours.
How you doing?
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice day out.
Oh, it's a beautiful day in the hood. It's not 1,000 degrees, which is unusual.
That's true. How you all doing?
Okay, I don't know.
So, you've met Frankenstein, and now it's time to meet Swamp Thing.
It's very nice. We found this pile.
It followed us home.
It did, yeah. It said, man, you got a bunch of junk cars. You want another one? That's all right.
They had to join the troop.
Yeah, well, you know, Russ lives here.
It does live here.
It does.
So, tell the story about why we have this.
Well, we found it, and for some reason I thought it was a good idea to go look at it. It wasn't, but when we walk around it, I'm going to show you how nice it is.
This car has been sitting for an undetermined amount of time.
A couple minutes.
When you walk around it with us, you'll see.
Oh, it's pristine.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
So we have no idea if it runs. We know it rolls, because obviously we got it here.
Yes.
So I guess let's walk around it.
Hey, and we know something else.
What do we know?
The brakes don't work.
Yeah, well.
But we won't tell you how we know that yet.
Yeah. Let's go around it first.
Yes.
And we'll tell a couple stories.
Yeah, it's a neat pile. You're going to love it.
Then I guess we're going to try to see if we can get this thing to
I want to see
over.
if it'll at least putt, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, not run, but see if we can put some gas in the carburetor and get it go putt,
yeah.
You know. See if it'll fire at all.
Yeah, give us a little glimmer of hope.
But anyway, let's do this.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
There she is.
It's a classic. They don't make them like this. There's a reason for it. Now,
yes?
I don't know if you guys have seen doors quite this pristine.
Oh, do that again. Let's capture that a little bit.
Oh man,
that's like an air conditioning feature.
It's a flapper.
Yeah, the flapper.
When we brought it home on the trailer, you could look at it in the mirror and it was going, which was pretty cool. And if you look over here, I'm going to show you the floor pan.
Oh yeah.
This car is actually, if you watch the Home Network HGTV,
yes,
this is actually a very desirable car because it has a partially open floor pan. And the seat in the back is pristine. Look through there, you can see the partially open floor pan in the trunk.
See if I can sneak this in. Oh, I do see some daylight in there.
Isn't that nice?
Look at that, right in the center.
It's a classy ride. This door doesn't flap. Well, a little.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not like this door, though. This is one of the main flappers. And it's pristine condition. I mean, the chrome on the rear bumper, I think that would buff out.
She's a beauty.
You want to see something nice, you got to look at this door.
What do you got for me?
Come around here. Now, this door here, you don't have to roll the window down. You get air right through the door.
Yeah, look at that. That is a nice feature. You don't get that.
Yeah, I mean, you can't open this door because I opened it once, and I think the car falls or something. You have to jiggle it to get the shut again. So it's kind of
tricky.
Leave it closed. And this is partially open floor pan, rocker panels open.
What do you call that dash there? That
That's
gauge
the
cluster or something.
mystery. It's a digital dash. It only comes on never.
The digital circuit's blown out of it.
And this window doesn't roll up because it's not there. All right,
there was shards there, but
I'm going to show you under the hood of this Giulietta.
All right.
And I don't know if you've noticed, but it seems to have a little bit of a cold. It's got a little snot running down its nostrils there.
I see that. Yeah.
It's very nice. So let me show you the.
You get your prop rod?
Yeah, I'm going to get my rod.
Your Rod Stewart.
I'm going to lift the hood for you. Now, if you look at this baby,
what do we got under here?
All original 283 cast iron glide.
Man.
Still got the glass fuel filter bowl on it. Well, if you look down here, look at the fuel pump. It's an old one where they bolt together.
Yeah.
You know, now they're all pressed together. It's a neat car, I
like the heater box. It just takes all the heat from the engine and
puts it inside.
Just goes right through the firewall.
Yeah, so even in the summer, you got plenty of heat.
Yeah, that's a good feature.
Well,
never have to worry about being
I wouldn't
cold.
say a good feature, but it's a feature.
It's a feature. Yeah.
It's definitely a feature. And then, I mean, it's pristine.
And it's got bumper guards, front and rear.
Yeah, and they're pristine condition.
And this is
a 210.
A 210 with a V8, factory
and
V8, which is
most, not that it
less
matters,
common anyway.
But most of the chrome is in the trunk.
Yes. You don't have the keys to this thing, do you?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I could show you in the trunk. You want to go get the keys?
Let's go get the keys.
Pause it for a second.
Yeah. So
Here, pause it for a second. I'll be right back. Yeah, what would be a funny video, which I don't really want to do this because they are classic cars, but it'd be funny if you did like a Dukes of Hazzard scene and you're going down the road and we run into each other as we go down the road. Like a car chase. That'd be kind of fun.
It would be cool to get both of these on the road together, though.
Yes.
Just driving, doors a-flapping.
Doors are flapping. And this one's definitely got asteroid ventilation. Look, that's an open floor pan again.
Man.
I mean, this is a classic.
Is the jack there to keep
Stuff from falling out? Yeah. Well, like when you go to the grocery store, as long as you buy really big items, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Surprisingly, the rest of the trunk isn't
that
terrible.
Bad? Where the shocks mount, that's pretty good. The framing all is nice on this car, which is stupid, but it is.
Yeah, underneath is not bad. Actually, where the rockers and all that join up underneath, where they hook
that's
together,
all together.
It's all together.
Which half of the decent cars we got aren't together, which is funny, but anyway, I guess you want to see if we can get a little putt-putt out of this jobby?
Yeah, I'll grab the battery pack and a test light.
Tesla?
Get your little fuel primer can and let's see what happens. What do y'all think is going to happen? Drop it in the comments right now.
Catch fire, burn my garage down.
Yeah,
thanks, guys.
Here we go. All right, we had to stop and come back because we didn't have this. I don't know if you can see that. See that?
Yeah,
power
that
probe.
nice. Probes your power.
So it's a different day.
It is. Anyway.
All right, so we're gonna do stuff.
Yeah, we want to hook this to the positive because that's what it is.
Are you positive?
I'm positive it is, yes.
All right. Whoop, hold on.
Yeah, don't hook it to my finger. Just the positive. We don't really need to energize my finger, per se. All right, we'll go. And we want to make sure these touch.
Yes.
To sort everything out. We'll ruin your jump box and catch the car on fire.
We want to make sure we
do it
melt
wrong.
everything, catch the car on fire.
All that good stuff. Yeah. I mean, it's no point in doing it if we're not going to
do it like this and it won't go down that far.
Ah!
You all right?
That was my finger.
Oh, sorry.
This is the ground, so it can set up the corn support.
How many fingers do you need?
Oh, yeah, I got a whole nother hand of them. That was something else interesting I did last time. I stuck a test light through my finger last go around. That was a blast.
You were very happy.
Oh, I loved it. I think I might do it again today just for the fun of it.
Why not?
Yeah. All right,
I don't know if this is going to...
Let's see if it cranks first.
It's probably not. Why would it? It's been sitting around for ages. Oh, for Pete's sake.
You got to get it closer to the wire.
Trying.
Not quite enough juice.
I hear something happening.
How much is your rump box got in it?
It's full. I've charged it. Are we sure we got the right wire?
Yeah. No, that's the right wire. The purple wire's for the starter. You can hear the starter try to hit.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, they ain't got enough juice. You hear it?
Yeah.
The solenoid's trying to engage. It just ain't got enough juice. Let's think. Let's think.
Well,
we usually don't do that.
We don't do that. That's like reading the instructions.
Let's regroup. Let's pause. I think we might try maybe throwing a real battery in it and see if that does something.
All right.
Let's try taking a battery out of Frankenstein and steal the parts of Frankenstein to make his polish. I mean, wonderfulness run. What? That's the starter hitting, but it's just not doing anything.
Yeah. Damn.
You only got 11 point what?
It says 11.5 now. That should be plenty.
Yeah, I know, but is that battery taking a dump? Let me put the charger on it and then hook your shit back up and we'll see what happens. Well, Swamp Thing is probably going to be destined for the salvage yard. I'm about done with her. Yeah, everybody, if you know a good salvage yard, let us know, because that's where this bitch is going. Yeah, I'm done with her already. Had enough.
It was at least clicking.
Let's go medieval on this thing. So we just had clicking a minute ago.
Yeah, I know.
So let's beat the shit out of the solenoid and see what happens. It'll at least be fun. And I already got a hammer, so I can take the rest of the windows out real quick. This should be what activates the starter.
All right.
Sends juice to the solenoid. You ain't doing shit. Just for the hell of it.
Yep.
I'm going to change something. I don't think it's going to matter, but try going off the same source that the battery is. I don't know whether that would matter or not. Probably not.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it is. Got to be off the same source.
All right. Hey, the wipers work.
There you go.
The wipers started to work.
Do you still want to bust the windows out just for fun?
Not now. I mean, you know.
I think we should. It'll make me feel better.
Let's put some.
If you've ever met Leon, you know he likes busting windows out.
Oh, I know.
It's one of my faves. All right, we're gonna put a little drop of gas in there. Get your thing ready. Get your thing ready.
Which one? Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
You want this thing ready?
All right, try to hit the doo-doo.
You ready?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Cute.
A little dusty in there.
I think I just got hit with a dead hamster or something. What flew out of there?
I don't know.
The fan picked up something and flung it at me.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's try something.
Look at that. Well, she runs.
Sort of. Let's fill this back up. Go ahead and hit me.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah, over the head with a hammer.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you fucking slut. All right, go ahead. Yeah, apparently the starter's not the greatest.
Well, it's been sitting around a minute. I mean, this is Swamp Thing after all.
Yeah, it was parked right next to the Titanic at the bottom of the ocean.
There you go. There you go. Again?
Yeah.
Harder.
It's a good thought, isn't it? Just kidding. All right, time to break the windshield. Let me get my hammer. I want to see how many pieces we can make a windshield into. It's gonna be great.
Well, it's already cracked in half, so it's got a head start. Is that Thor's hammer?
Nah, it's MC's hammer.
MC's hammer.
We got a battery charger, a jump box, a power probe, thing of gas. We could light this thing on fire.
We have a hell of a fireworks show here.
Yeah. You'd bring new meaning to the words "fire it up."
All right.
Floor it.
You're in charge of that.
Oh. All right, that off the starter. There you go.
Wow. Oh, more stuff coming at you. Man, look at that. If it had brakes, you could walk beside it and I'd drive it around.
Yeah, that'd be great.
We could do a around the block video.
Here, I'll stand in front of it and you drive it around.
That's a better idea yet. I love it. Well,
there you go.
She runs.
Well, the next step is,
Light it on fire.
well, on another video, we'll hook up a can and see what we got there.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get the fuel pump to suck it out of a can.
Mm-hmm.
Look, she runs. I mean, she run for a minute.
Yeah.
They actually don't sound bad. It's quiet.
It is quiet.
I guess the exhaust is still intact somehow. The rest of the car is
I
not.
don't see how.
The rest of the car is not intact, but the exhaust is.
All right. We've got some special footage that I wanted to introduce. We actually have some footage loading this car onto the trailer
Yeah.
where we got it. It was
And you know what?
quite
We should have
interesting.
saved some time and never loaded on the trailer. That's where I'm at with this one, guys.
Yeah. At least she's a runner, sort of.
If you need some yard art, call Justin.
Yeah.
This would look great with flowers planted in front of your house.
You know, we missed a good opportunity when we were unloading this thing.
Oh, yeah.
We should have had the camera set up for that because it was on the trailer, basically here, with the Chevelle back there and no brakes. And, you know, we thought it would be a great idea to put a wheel chock down and roll her off. Well,
Yeah, well, it worked out fun.
the wheel chock really didn't do much.
No, it just bounced a couple times. And he got almost to the Chevelle, and I grabbed the quarter panel and got it stopped.
I kept saying, nothing, nothing. He was like, what do you want me to do?
The fuck do you want me to do about it? You know what I'm saying? Throw an anchor out the window. I can't help you.
We didn't hit the Chevelle, that's the good news. The Chevelle still has a front end.
And I'm surprised this car has a windshield because, you know me, I like breaking windshields.
Oh yeah. Thanks for joining us again. This is Swamp Thing. I'm sure we'll be back for other parts.
Yeah, you'll see it catch on fire next time.
Yeah, maybe Leanne will break the glass out of it.
Yeah, you can break all the windows, catch it on fire.
yeah.
Whatever, you send it in your comments.
Yeah, let us know how
Let
you'd
me
like
know
us
how to finish this car off.
So we'll
You
finish
want barbecue or do you want...
We'll finish this thing off with our footage of us loading it. Enjoy, you can laugh at our expense. And we'll be back for another video of Swamp Thing and many more, I'm sure. You're gonna love it.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that, but you'll like it at least.
Yeah, at least. All right, that's it.
Word, peace out.
Word out. Word out?
Peace out.
Word out.
Peace out.
Peace out, whichever.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting ready to load this Jewel onto the trailer. Yeah. All right, let's get this thing loaded. Quiet running car. This thing's practically ready for the street. So this gentleman here is Daryl. He's sold us this fine automobile, and he's the man with the plan for getting this on the trailer.
Daryl is a professional. Don't ever try this at home.
Is that true, Daryl? You're a pro?
Yeah. If it can go wrong, it will.
Great. It's pulling the whole truck.
Put it in 4-wheel drive. I know it sounds crazy, but it'll keep your front wheels from rolling.
It's looking good. Daryl, thanks for helping us with this.
Oh yeah, no problem.
We appreciate it. This will be an interesting project.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, shake that man's hand. Let's get out of here.
All right, man. Have a good day. Yep. Thanks a lot.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you. All right, here we go.